How to correctly fold a Halfords pop-up beach shelter. First, you flip it over and push the material down into the inside, and then fold the left and the right side together. Next, fold the left side into an oval and make 2 clear ovals. Then you rotate it and put your feet either side and push it together. Then make sure you have 2 clear ovals on this side and fold it over as so. Next, you need to put the tent in the bag, which you might need an assistant to help you with. Make sure you push the label in as well. Remember to put any other bits in the bag. That is how you correctly fold up a Halfords pop-up beach tent.